Okay, so we're gonna do some more prep. The first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and cook up some millet for our millet and pear and ginger breakfast. 1 cup of millet and 4 minutes. Wash the millet in cold water, dry pan toast the millet, stir it for about 4 minutes, then add 3 cups of water and a pinch of salt. Cover, bring to a boil, reduce heat and simmer for 30. So that's what we're gonna do. As you can see, we're getting some toasty bits in there in the millet. It's definitely starting to smell toasted, so we'll just let that go for just a little bit longer. All right, that's it, it's pretty good. We don't wanna over toast it. It's about 3 cups of water for every cup of millet. There's 16 ounces in the bag, so roughly, we're gonna say maybe 8 ounces, could be 6 ounces of dry for the millet. So we're gonna guesstimate that is probably about 6, maybe 8 cups for the whole thing. So. And then we just wanna throw a little bit of salt in there. So 1, 2, 3 tablespoons for the batch. Okay, so the timer for the millet went off, so we're gonna just kill that heat. Take the lid off here. Bring it over to the table and see what we got. So it absorbed pretty much all of that liquid, which was exactly what we were hoping for. I'm just gonna give a little stir just to help steam it out. So much steam. And we're just gonna set this to the side to let it cool. And then we'll put it in a container and save it for breakfast to heat up. Good morning. So we're gonna put together our millet breakfast here, super simple. We have some raw walnuts, we have our millet, we have our pears. We're gonna put it in a bowl, put it in the microwave, and heat it up and eat it.